everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. Today we're diving into a highly anticipated product, the Eva Gabor Premium Gl8-10 Wig by Hairuwear. This wig promises a natural look with its lace front and monofilament part, and I'm excited to give you my thoughts after testing it out. Let's jump into this review. Now, first things first, what exactly are we looking at here? The Eva Gabor Premium Gl8-10 Wig is a synthetic wig designed to offer a stylish and low-maintenance option for anyone who wants to switch up their look. It comes with a 1.5-inch deep lace front, which is meant to mimic a natural hairline with a very low-density finish. This can be a game changer for anyone who wants that just rolled out of bed vibe without looking overly bulky. One of the standout features here is the monofilament part, which means the wig's hair is hand-tied to the cap, offering the illusion of real hair growing right from your scalp. As someone who's worn a fair share of wigs, I can tell you that this little detail really does make a difference in terms of comfort and realism. It's like a breath of fresh air compared to the typical synthetic wigs that have a lot more visible seams. The wig also features ultra-thin adjusters at the nape, which really allow you to customize the fit for your head size, making it feel like it was made just for you. This is a huge plus because one size fits all can often feel uncomfortable, or worse, look off. When it comes to the hair itself, Flex Lite synthetic fibers are used, which promises softness and movement. The fibers are meant to mimic real hair in both texture and style, but without the hassle of heat styling. The Gabor Luminous colors give a gorgeous, natural finish, something that's been really well received by wig wearers for its depth and shine. So how does it perform in real life? Let me tell you, I was impressed. The lace front is definitely a highlight here. It creates such a natural-looking hairline that I barely had to adjust it once I put it on. The monofilament part adds that extra touch of realism, and you won't notice any weird bumps or seams on the scalp. It felt light and breathable, which is a must when you're wearing something on your head all day. I wore this wig for a full day to see how it held up. It didn't shift around, even when I was doing more active things, and the adjusters in the back ensured it stayed snug without being tight. I will say though, because it's a synthetic wig, I did notice a little bit of frizz towards the end of the day. It's nothing major, but it's something to keep in mind if you're looking for something that holds up super sleek in every condition. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the lace front is a real winner for a natural look. The customizable fit is great for comfort, and the synthetic fibers are soft with a good amount of movement. The color options are also pretty incredible. On the flip side, as mentioned, there's a bit of frizz after a long day, which you might need to address with some wig care products or a gentle touch-up. The other thing is that while the monofilament part is fantastic for a natural look, it's also a bit more delicate than regular synthetic caps, so you have to handle it with care. When it comes to value for money, I think this wig is priced reasonably for the quality it offers. Sure, you could find cheaper synthetic wigs, but the craftsmanship here, especially the lace front and monofilament part, definitely adds to the overall value. If you're willing to invest a little more for a wig that looks and feels natural, it's definitely worth considering. In terms of alternatives, if you're after something in a similar price range, but with maybe a bit more durability or versatility, brands like Raquel Welch or John Rennell offer great options. Those wigs tend to be a bit more sturdy, but still deliver on natural appearance, so they're worth checking out if you're open to experimenting with different brands. When it comes to build quality and longevity, I'd say this wig's construction is solid for synthetic hair. The materials feel premium, and while synthetic wigs do eventually show wear over time, this one holds up relatively well if you're caring for it properly. The adjusters and lace front will likely stand the test of time if you follow care instructions, but like any wig, the fibers will eventually lose their shape if not maintained. So, who is this wig best suited for? Honestly, if you're looking for something with a natural look, low maintenance, and easy to wear all day, the Eva Gabor Premium Gl8-10 Wig is an excellent choice. It's ideal for anyone who wants to switch up their style without a complicated setup. Before I wrap this up, I want to know, has this review been helpful for you? If so, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support means the world and helps us continue bringing honest reviews like this one. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase this wig down in the comments or description box. And if you've already tried it, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.